Hey friends, it's Mrs. Lev. Just wanted to explain today's assignment. We'll be doing stations. We know stations are a good way to review some of the things we've learned over the past week or so. And we are going to hopefully use these stations to prepare you for a test that we will have tomorrow over this unit. So tomorrow's test will be a Criterion A test, which means it'll be more traditional math test, kind of would be a paper pencil test, but you'll be doing it through Go Formative tomorrow. So to help you prepare for tomorrow, we've included 3 stations for you to do today, so I'll explain those real quick. Your first station for today, you're going to be completing your HyperDoc for 6.5. That will be something that will be due tomorrow as a reminder. So on tomorrow's slides, I'll show you a little preview. You are going to have a slide that you'll see in which you'll need to upload your own photo of your HyperDoc homework. So make sure that you finish that up today and that it's ready to take a picture of to insert into tomorrow's slideshow. Your second station for today is an I have who has station. Now your I have who has is going to be a little different because you're not playing it with a partner, but you'll see we have your I have who has cards here on the screen. You'll need to take those and rearrange them so they go in order. So I'm going to move the first one, and you'll see we've got these boxes behind them of where to put your first card and your second card. I'm going to move the start card here, and it reads I have negative 2.5 who has this integer. And I can look and I see 0, and I'm moving to the left more into my negatives, so this would obviously be negative 4. So I'll look at my cards, and I'm going to want to put the one that has negative 4 in that second space. So I'll rearrange a little bit. So now that one's in its correct space. And I'm going to keep going and put them in order until I get to this last space here, which would be the 8th and final card. So we've already done the first 2 together, so really you just have to do the next 6 there. All right, so then your third station for today is going to be a math game. It is called Math Man. I think it's really fun. Miss Brown found it and had a lot of fun trying it out for you guys. So Math Man is going to look a little bit like this. You're going to show and demonstrate your understanding of positive and negative integers playing Math Man. So we've included the link. You're going to use the arrow keys on your device to move your little Math Pac-Man. And you're going to want to read the description on the screen to know which little ghost you're going to have to eat. So you guys get the joy of watching me play my first round. So I look here at the bottom, eat the ghost with the integer equal to a 2-yard penalty. And we know a penalty means that it's a loss of 2 yards. So I'm going to look for negative 2. So I'm going to move my little Pac-Man to eat the negative 2, which I can see is down on the bottom here. Now when I eat the stars, it freezes them, so it makes it a little easier. You want to make sure you eat the correct Pac-Man ghost, otherwise you lose a life. And each round it does get a little bit tougher. So good luck on your math Pac-Man today with your positive and negative integers. Other than that, today that is your last station. As a reminder, stations, we usually spend about 10 minutes per station, so that's our recommendation for today. Obviously, if you want to play a little bit longer, that's great too, but really use this as a time to prepare for tomorrow's test. Bye guys!